going on, guys? RJ the Wolf05 here, and today we're reacting to the EAS once again. I haven't did this in a long time, not like a long time, like months ago. Haven't did that in a long time ever since because, well, I mean, what the hell do I know? It's just that I listen to these a lot, but why not make more reactions of this? So this one is called The Banana Splits Movie Emergency Alert System Scenario. I seen the movie. I'll give it a 10. I'll actually get a 10 out of 10 for that because that movie was good. Favorite character I love is Snorky in there because he's the one who saved his family, you know. Shoot. And I have the banana split dude in this profile image. Well, enough talking. Let's get right into this. First, I wish they make a sequel to this, cause I wish they are. Okay, let's just get started.
The banana split.
Okay,
Legal.
that's cool.
Bingo.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna watch this movie together. Get your popcorn, get your soda. Draper.
Snorky.
I just don't get. Wait, what the heck? Oh crap! If they break into your home, hide. If they find you, scream. Bro, if they actually find you inside your house, you're gonna scream. What happened?
The following message is transmitted in the request of the Ohio Police Department.
Ohio?
This is not a test.
Okay.
At 9:50 to 11:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 4 animatronics of the banana splits on the studio's moon buggy have been reported missing before investigation on the scene.
Uh-oh.
One is a beagle with a bow
They
tie and
escaped?
half of its endoskeleton face and arm are exposed. One is a lion with shades and a sharp object impaled into its head and jaw. One is an orange furred ape in a yellow vest and shades. And one is an elephant with a green vest and shades. All 4 have been proven responsible for the multiple bloody murders within the studio. We strictly advise all citizens of Ohio to lock all of your doors and windows immediately. As a precaution, remain indoors with all doors and windows locked. If you see the stolen vehicle or any of these deadly animatronics, please dial 911 immediately. If any of them breaks into your home, use armed weapons at all means necessary. Please stay tuned for more details.
If they break into your home and you're hiding and they're looking for you, scream. Cause that is just the scariest crap you ever experienced. If they find you out and if they find you out in your hallways if you're in a hallway and they look at you in the hallway, you're pretty much gonna scream and you're pretty much dead. First of all the 4 animatronics were killed during the cancellation of the show. They were all got defeated by humans. Yeah. First of all, the 3 were evil ones, but one wasn't. The one wasn't deadly because Snorky was the one who saved his family, sacrificed his life to save his family. So, he's not deadly.
On this dangerous situation.
Okay. Jump scare? I'm afraid to play. If there's a jump scare, I swear to God. No, I ain't playing. Hey, look, it's me. This next one we're reacting to is No More Death Threats Part 1. This has been out like months ago, but where's Part 2 at? Oh, look, it's Big Hero 6 is on. Let's see.
So, what have you been working on?
I'll show you.
Duct tape? Hate to break it to you, bro. Already been invented. Hey. Ow! Dude! Ow!
Dude. Oof.
This is what I've been working at.
Okay, can we just get into the... Okay, there you go. If you guys don't know who Momo is, You're pretty much not a creepypasta fan. I am. I look up creepypasta fandom. So what? On Wikipedia, yeah.
The following message is transmitted at the
Voice.
request of the California State Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued.
Uh-oh.
At 8 p.m. Eastern Standard
At
Time,
8 p.m.
an internet challenge has made a trend of people committing suicide after
Yes,
they've
ma'am.
received the text message claiming
I was
to be
about to say,
Momo.
sir.
This is a serious action you must take for those with mobile phones. As a precaution,
Creep.
all residents must be alerted that if you see a text message saying that there is a death threat from Momo, do not text back. If you do, you will put your life at risk. Stay
no,
tuned
ma'am.
for more media outlets for further updates.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. That won't happen. I swear, jump scare at the end. I'm throwing this phone. One later. Ladder. I was playing. Cyval Emi RG Jin Sai Me Sage. What am I saying? Yeah, okay.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Police Department. At 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, police have reported several more murders or suicides in the streets of California.
Oh, jeez.
Eyewitness reports stated that teenagers at the ages between 12 and 18 have been most likely the ones falling for those death threats.
Oh.
So please stay inside your home. Do not reply to any text messages.
Wait, why do I have
We
to stay
want
inside
people
for?
of America to be safe. Police are still doing an investigation. If you have any details on these suicidal acts, please contact 911 immediately.
Okay. 911 stage emergency. Oh, I know these details. Oh, I know these details of this mobile threats thing. It's like, sir, what are you talking about? It's like these 911 services know what's going on or something. Oh yes, hello 911. I know about details of the death threats. 3 minutes. Another report is taking over because he knows about whatever. Let me just say one thing. If you're watching this alone, and then after this you wanted to go to sleep, but you can't because you keep thinking about what's going to happen in your life about this, and you keep thinking that something's going to attack you soon, it's going to scare you, right? I don't know if that made sense. I don't make sense anymore. I'm nobody. Well,
Civil danger warning.
oh.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the California State Police Department. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it later turns out that the suspect behind the text messages are from an anonymous person walking by the streets and attempted to murder random teenagers all alone. The suspect's description are as follows. It is a white male. It stands in at 5.5 feet, weighing 70 pounds, dark brown hair, brown eyes, and was believed to be wearing white sneakers and holding a bloody knife. If you see the suspect, please do not try to stop him yourself. Doing this may put your life at risk. For now, please stay inside your home and do not respond to these death threats. Please stay tuned for more media outlets for further updates.
Well, alright then. Not lying, but Momo looks like a bird. Okay, peeps, this next one is Suicide Mouse. This is, Mickey Mouse. Suicide Mouse is a creepypasta. If you don't know him, then you're not a creepypasta fan after all. Can you shut up? You're loud. Jeez. No, I ain't gonna do that. Playing.
This is a warning message from the state of California.
Okay.
Around 9:04 a.m. on December 8, 2009, a mysterious animated loop of Mickey the Mouse was aired on television and was looped for 24 hours. Reports from the police station has had panic calls from parents who had said their children who watched this unknown animated feature suffered from depression and mental hallucination. Other calls reported in large counts of suicide.
Oh.
Unknown of the source, we implore you to change the channel or turn off your television sets immediately if you spot this animated feature.
Wait, 4? Doop. 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 That was weird. This is an emergency alert system customized for suicide mails in the creepypasta universe. Of course. If you guys don't know what a creepypasta is, wow. Just wow. Plays the show. Me. Oh, it's just Mickey Mouse walking. After the show, jumps on wheelchair. I have crippling depression. This next one in ERS and creepypasta Slendy Tubbies. It's Teletubbies, but slendy. Very slendery. There's a game to it. There's Slendy Tubbies 1, Slendy Tubbies 2D, Slendy Tubbies 2, Slendy Tubbies 3. I played all of those except for 3. I played a little bit of 3 because I really want to play 3 so bad. I played a little bit of it, but I didn't get the chance to do any other kind of mode on it or stuff like that. So, let's get into it here. It's so low, I can't hear it. Everyone shut up! Hello? I was about to say hello. Hello? Is everyone there?
The following message has been broadcast from Germany County of the United Kingdom. I repeat, deep danger warning has been issued for Germany County in the United Kingdom. Police are searching for the characters called Teletubbies.
Okay.
Mainly called Slendytubbies, they were last seen in the woods in Teletubbyland. A dangerous purple Teletubby named Tinky Winky was last seen in the woods but no in town. He had a white face with no eyes, nose, and widening mouth. If you see this Teletubby in your house, leave immediately before he attacks you.
Wait. If you see this Teletubbies in your house, what? If you see a Teletubby in your house, inside your house, what did it say? If you see a what? Hold on, shh.
Mouse, if you see this Teletubby in your house, leave immediately before he attacks you. The purple, green, yellow, and red Teletubbies somehow became monsters from eating infected custard, which is found lying around in the woods. This is a warning. If any of these infected...
If you see this Teletubby inside your house, get out before it attacks you. Well, mainly, of course, you must be more specific than that. You should have say, if you see this in your area, please dial 911. If he breaks into your home, use all weapons necessary. Be more specific, creator of this.
Teletubbies see you, leave now or they will kill you. Please stay tuned for more updates. If the Slendytubbies get caught, please call 985-325-7890. Again, that's 985-325-7890.
If these Slendytubbies get caught, please call... What? Who are you gonna call, your mother? He's like, hey mom, look, these Slendytubbies got caught and we're free. Oh, shut up. He's like, oh my god. If you see them get captured, who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters or what? Jeez, these creator of these need to be more specific. Hold up. Be more specific, kid. Nah, I ain't putting that. Okay, this next one, last one we're acting to is Dangerous Animatronic Attack. Five Nights at Freddy's, I'm guessing? Oh, look, Star Wars. Never told you what happened to your father. He told me enough. He told me you killed.
He told me you killed him. No.
You messed up the part. What am I, your emergency alert system? Man. Okay, I'm a little creeped out now. Oh my god, okay. I was right.
The premises of the establishment and their current location is unknown. Citizens are strongly urged to assume these animatronics are hostile and to take shelter. Keep small children away from these animatronics at any cost. If your current location includes stores that drain the building's power, make sure to conserve your energy as best as possible to ensure the power does not run out while the animatronics are still wandering. Authorities believe the animatronics will return to the restaurant at 6 a.m., but please make sure to stay tuned for further developments.
Okay, that is mainly creepy, you know. Uh-oh. What did I do? Okay, that was mainly creepy, you know. Ensure that you have enough power before it doesn't run out while these animatronics are still wandering. Your power goes out, you hear Freddy's music, and then you say to yourself, oh, might as well die. Well, I guess that's it, guys. Guess this will have to do for this episode. So, anyway, guys, hope you liked that video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below what you guys want me to do next, and I'll see you guys in some other time. Never. Bye, bros.